So today is October 23rd. We're going to finish up your map navigation page. So please open up this from your Google Drive. So when I go to my Google Drive, I have a folder for my portfolio. So let me just go find that. Hopefully you're also being super organized with your documents. So your technology portfolio, it's your name and tech portfolio. So this is my student example. Hopefully yesterday you had a chance to change this image on your map navigation page. So you can select an image, and when you go to search, you can search like maps, state, New York, and you can pick an image that's interesting to you. So I already did that. I picked one of our county, Rensselaer. And then I included this brief history of maps. I just find it really interesting. So it's linked on my site if you'd like it. I also put it on Google Classroom. And a really cool quote I found from it was, maps influence how we perceive ourselves in the world. So I just thought that was interesting. If you get a chance, hopefully you check that out. So the other day you added your 2 tours. So in Google Maps, you went on and you went under your places to find your saved places, and hopefully you'll have a Technology 6 tour of the Capital District and you have a vacation bucket list. When you click on those and you say share a list, you do want to make sure that it's shared. Okay, it's originally set to be private, only you can see. We don't want to put anything public, so shared is just fine. And then when you hit copy link, you can go back to your tech portfolio. And all I did is I had text that I highlighted and I used it as a link. Some people were using the embed code, so you can paste it there. If you do it this way, it does come up with a nice image. So it's really whatever makes you all warm and fuzzy inside. So you should have a Capital Region tour and a vacation bucket list tour. What I would like you to add today is I want you to see this really cool site. It's called explore.org, and there's a live cams, meaning that there are cameras set up, and this is actually happening right now in this part of the world. So it's really neat to see. So if you would like, go through and you can check out the different live videos um, and see if there's anything interesting to you, which is I thought this was pretty cool. So what I end up doing is I have 2 sites. I think you know this. So I have my student one that it would look like for you, but I also have my Mrs. Tech Hines one. So I took some of my favorites and I made a whole like wilderness trail here, right? So like if you wanted to watch like the shark cam or some hippos or bears, oh my God, it's adorable. So I'm just gonna go to share, and these are all YouTube links. So if you want to take one from either this Explore, or if you want to use my list, that's also okay. But I'm going to copy this link, and on your site, it would be so cool if on your map navigation page, you just had an embedded link so people can watch that live stream. It's something that will hopefully keep viewers coming back to your page. So you can find something that's like interesting, like maybe you want to travel to Brooks Falls and wherever this park is, it looks awesome. So you might want to add some text to the side just to kind of say like, this is a live stream of the national park and where it's located. Some of you are really going above and beyond and you're actually figured out how to put background stuff on. So when you click here, you could actually add an image. So that's how I added like the bears and the other one. So you can just search um, for your images. That looks really awesome. So that'll be part of my page now. So that's kind of cool. So you can set this up however you want. I'm going to take this and I'm not going to have it in the middle of my page. So I'm just going to take it and drag it down to kind of move it down towards the bottom. I don't want to put anything in the footer unless I want it to show up on like every single page. So hopefully our map navigation page is looking pretty sweet, looking pretty interesting, bringing people interested about learning how to read maps and seeing where your favorite places are. So you're going to want to hit this blue publish button. Okay, hopefully you did this yesterday as well, so this isn't too new, just adding that live webcam today. And you're going to hit that blue publish button again. So this is a graded assignment. So of course you're going to get your A plus by turning in your link. So when you click next to the publish button, this little triangle here, you can actually view published site. You never want to give someone a site that ends in edit because that means that that site can be changed. So you just want them to view it. And this is what people would see when they came to my navigation site. So I think this looks pretty good. So I would take this link, of course, not you would not do mine, but you would do your own link and you'd copy that. So today's Google form looks like this. It kind of explains that of the video of how to do it. You're just going to put your name and then you're just going to paste right here your URL or your address for your website. And hopefully it's updated. I can't wait to check it out. I'm still going through and I'm seeing a lot of awesome work being done on your how-to pages. So really nice job on that. I hope you have a great Friday. We'll have a Google Meet today from 10 to 2. So please make sure you stop in. There'll be a question on there to ask in the poll. Otherwise, guys, have a great day. Email me if you need anything, and I really can't wait to see your map navigation pages.